Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you uh, how to download and set up the Laravel and Laravel Composer on your local machine. Before we start, just I open a Google browsers. Let's type Laravel framework, and then you will get a bunch of link. So I follow the Laravel, the original official website. Click here and you can just simply go through the get started. I'm going to install the Laravel, so let me do follow the documentations. So you can just read everything whatever you want, but right now just I want to do is install PHP in Laravel. In my local machines, I have already got a PHP environments. I got a jump for the local machine, so I want to do the download for the composer. Just to download the composer, just you can click right here, and I'm missing one thing since I want to do the something. All right, you can just download the composer. I selected right here, so click here and you will get the composer download link. Just get composer.org. Thus I have a Windows laptop, so thus I go to the download buttons and you can read the documentation. You can install the composer by two way. One is the setup file, that exe file, or you can go through the command line. You can read those all the things right here. I prefer to download the composer from the composer.txt. I will just download from this composer from this link. I just click here. My download process is going here, so I want to install the composer. So I want to do the double click on the install file. So you can simply check the install for all users. It's the recommended, or if you want to do the security issue, you can install for me only, but it's a recommended thing for all the users. I choose these options and verify the publishers, open source development, and yeah, just I simply do yes here, and then the setup will install the composer to fix the locations for all users, including take the control, just install the composer. Uninstall will not include it. Just I leave it, everything is default. I just click next, and just before installing the composer, you have to give the path of the PHP, right? So I want to give a PHP path. So I have a jump already installed, my jump here. So here is my jump, and I have a PHP, and you can simply choose the PHP, right? Okay, php.exe, add this path to PHP path. Okay, you can simply check this ones and go ahead and just you can skip the proxy. Use the proxy URL to server to connect the internet. You can just skip this part. Okay, your PHP version is 8.2.12, and this is a non-proxy, and this part this part is we have that this is a PHP part. Okay, you do install as composer is being installed, and just everything is done, right? To make sure that you can just type the cmd command line, and just I think you can type composer. Yeah, it's installed. It's composer installed. You to verify the composer, you can just open your command line prompt and just type the composers. There is the composer version 2.8.3,